Hello, welcome back to GeoKloud Academy. It's been a while. So if you're being with us on the spectral indices series, we're going on to another one right now. And what we're doing is the automated water extraction index. So let's get straight to it. So basically, this index maximizes separation between water and dark non-water surfaces such as building shadows and terrain shade. We're basically using a non-shadow variant shown here. So the bands we'll be using are quite more than what we used in the last two in both our MNDWI and our NDWI combined together. So what we are doing, we're using for this is the blue band, the green, the near infrared, the shortwave infrared 1 and 2, which makes our formula 4 multiplied by the green minus shortwave infrared 1 minus 0.25 multiplied by the near infrared plus 2.75 multiplied by the shortwave infrared 2. So let's get straight into it. Looking at our band combination, we'll be using the Landsat 8 and let's see what it looks like. So I'll quickly open my ArcGIS processing toolbox, Raster Calculator, and just keep it by the side so I can easily see my formula. So I'll be doing 4 multiplied by bracket open band 3 minus minus band 6 bracket close minus bracket open 0.25 multiplied by band 5 plus 2.75 multiplied by band 7 bracket close, and I'll run that AWEI. That's the automated water extraction index. Let's see what the result looks like. Neat. So we have our automated water extraction index. I'll just change this to blue. That doesn't work here. Let me run it from this end. Give me a blue shade. And that's it. Thank you very much. And here's what we have. So let me even try using red to green, having green. So with this we can actually read out properly what we're looking at and our results. Yeah, very neat. So over this short video, I've been able to answer how to do an automated water extraction index. Hope it helped you out. Please give the video a like, subscribe, share, and please see you in the next one. As always, happy mapping. Cheers up.